This is a quick overview of how things will work in our Introduction to Computer course. When you enter the course, you will see the home page. Read all of the information on here and note that it is crucial you set aside at least 10 hours per week to work on class this and each and every week. Some weeks will be more, some weeks will be less, but at a minimum, you need to set aside at least 10 hours per week to work on class to get the coursework done. Um, it's possible to complete this course using a Mac, but you'll need access to a PC with Windows 10 and Office 2016 and 365 available to you to complete the Access database homework the first 4 weeks of class. Modules 1 and 2 run concurrently. So the first week of class, you're going to be completing 2 modules, and I'll show you that. After that, each module lasts 2 weeks. So you'll have a little more time to get your homework done. Now, first things first, you should already have your textbook and your access code purchased from the bookstore. You received an email from me showing you how to do all of that. And if you're using a Western Iowa Tech Mac computer, you have to take that Mac into the help desk at WIT and have them download Parallels for you on your Mac and show you how to use it. You have to have this the first 2 weeks of class, probably the first 4 weeks of class, because the Windows operating system, of course, does not work on Macs without Parallels, and Access doesn't work on Mac without Parallels. So the 2 things you got to get done beforehand, well, 3, is get your textbook and your access code, take your WIT computer, if you have one, to Western Iowa Tech Help Desk, have them install Parallels, show you how to use it. That's critical because I don't have a Mac, and how to use it with Windows and how to use it with Access. And make sure that they've also installed Office 365/2016 if you have not done that already. So those are the first things you're going to do before class ever gets started. To find all of our homework, you will click on modules, and this is where you'll always want to go to make sure you have your homework done. So you'll click on modules, which is here. It'll take you to this screen. And each week or each module, you'll come down and just complete everything within that module. So resources are things you need to read and go through, like getting started with MindTap. All of our coursework will be done through MindTap, but you must come into the course and access MindTap through the course. And that information will be here. It will show you how to get registered, Cengage technical support. Anytime you need any sort of technical support with your MindTap program, you'll contact them. Office Mix, which we'll use later in the course, I think in PowerPoint, and then system requirements and help desk information. So these are just things you need to look over. And if you need technical support from Cengage, which you probably will during the course, this is where you'll access that. So you can see the due dates each time below each one of the items. So that first week of class, January 14th through January 21st, these 2 modules are due. Now these 2 items are due, they're extra credit items, so you want to do those because they are the only extra credit items in the class. Do those before the 16th. To see what you earned on each of those items, you will go to the grades, and you'll be able to see your grades there. Then you'll come back and you'll click on each of these in order. So you can click on the overview, and it will show you everything that needs to be done. Now, when you're doing your MindTap work, you can click these, or you can click right from the modules, which I suggest. And if you want to know how you did on each of your assignments, you need to watch this video. So anytime you think you got something wrong, you don't know what you got wrong, you need to watch this video, follow those instructions, and Cengage will tell you exactly what you didn't do right. So if we come back to modules, you can also minimize each of these when you're done with them and get back into them. But let's say the first thing you're going to do is your SAM training. Now, you'll want to read your textbook assignments, which will be the Essential Computer Concepts and Managing Your Files chapters, and then come in and do the SAM training and the SAM exam. Now, the trainings you can do 3 times to better your grade. Exams you can only complete once.